We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, in previous lecture we were talking about the anatomy of the digestive system and we had seen until the anatomy of the esophagus. Today we will see about the anatomy of the stomach and about the gastric secretion. First we will start with the anatomy of the stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen. The stomach receives food from the esophagus. As food reaches the end of the esophagus, it enters the stomach through a muscular valve called lower esophageal sphincter. Here you can see the relation of the stomach. Stomach is a pouch-like organ primarily designed for food storage for about 2 to 4 hours. Some mechanical and chemical digestion also occur. Stomach contains 2 sphincters at both ends to regulate food movements. Cardiac sphincter near the esophagus and pyloric sphincter near the small intestine. Here in the diagram you can see the cardiac sphincter and pyloric sphincter. Stomach is divided into 4 regions: cardiac stomach, funding stomach, body of stomach and pyloric stomach. It contains thick fold called trogee at its layer for providing larger surface area for expansion, secretion, digestion and some absorption. Here in the diagram you can see about the 4 regions of stomach: cardiac region, pyloric region, funding region and body of stomach. Functions of stomach. First is digestion. The stomach releases protease and hydrochloric acid which kills or inhibits bacteria and provides acidic pH of 2 for the protease to work. Food is churned by the stomach through muscular contraction of the wall called peristalsis. And absorption. Some absorption of certain small molecules nevertheless does occur in stomach through its lining. Next is about the gastric juice. Gastric acid, gastric juice or stomach acid is digestive fluid formed in the stomach and is composed of hydrochloric acid, potassium chloride and sodium chloride. The acid plays a key role in digestion of proteins by activating digestive enzyme and making ingested protein unravel so that digestive enzymes break down the long chain of amino acid. Gastric secretory cells are composed of 4 cells: chief cell, parietal cell, mucus cell and G cell. Chief cell which secrete pepsinogen, parietal cell which secrete hydrochloric acid and intrinsic factor which helps in absorption of vitamin B12 in the intestine. Mucus cell which secrete mucus and alkaline substance to help neutralize HCl in the gastric juice. And G cell which secrete a hormone called gastrin which stimulates the parietal cell and overall gastric. Blood supply in the stomach is done by right gastropiploic artery, left gastropiploic artery and gastric artery. Venous drainage is done by gastric vein. About the gastric juice, stomach size varies with the volume of food it contains, which may be 1.5 liters or more in an adult. When a meal has been eaten, the food accumulates in the stomach in layers, the last part of the meal remaining in the fundus for some time. Mixing with the gastric juice takes place gradually and it may be some time before the food is sufficiently acidified to stop the action of salivary amylase. The activity of gastric muscle contains churning movement that breaks down the bolus and mixes it with the gastric juice and peristaltic waves that propels the stomach contents towards the pylorus. When the stomach is active, the pyloric sphincter closes. Strong peristaltic contraction of the pyloric forces chyme gastric contents after they are sufficiently liquefied through the pyloric sphincter into the duodenum in the small spurts. Parasympathetic stimulation increases the motility of the stomach and secretion of gastric juice. Sympathetic stimulation has the opposite effect. About 2 liters of gastric juice are secreted daily by specialized secretory glands in the mucosa. It consists of water and mineral salt, which is secreted by gastric gland, mucus, which is secreted by mucous snake cell in the gland's surface, mucus cell on the stomach surface, hydrochloric acid, and intrinsic factor, which is secreted by parietal cell in the gastric gland. Inactive enzyme precursors, which are pepsinogen, which is secreted by enzyme chief cell in the glands. Here in the diagram you can see the position of mucus cell, gastric gland, parietal cell, chief cell, gastric pits, and these are the layers of mucosa, submucosa. The outer layer from the submucosa is called as the muscle layer, and the outermost layer is called as the serosa, which is not seen in this diagram. Next is the function of gastric juice. Gastric juice contains water which liquefies the food swallowed. It also contains hydrochloric acid which acidifies the food and stops the action of salivary amylase. It also kills the ingested microbes. HCl provides the acid environment needed for the effective digestion by pepsin. Pepsinogen are activated to pepsin by hydrochloric acid and by pepsin already present in the stomach. These enzymes begin in digestion of proteins, breaking them into smaller molecules. Pepsins act most effectively at a very low pH between 1.5 and 3.5. Intrinsic factor is necessary for the absorption of vitamin B12 from the ileum. Mucus prevents mechanical injury to the stomach wall by lubricating the contents. It prevents chemical injury by acting a barrier between the stomach wall and the corrosive gastric juice. Hydrochloric acid is present, potentially damaging contraction, and pepsin would digest the gastric tissues. Next is the secretion of gastric juice. There is always a small quantity of gastric juice present in the stomach even when it contains no food. This is known as fasting juice. Secretion reaches its maximum level about 1 hour after a meal, declines to the fasting level after about 4 hours. There are 3 phases of secretion of gastric juice: cephalic phase, gastric phase, and intestinal phase. First is the cephalic phase. This flow of juice occurs before food reaches the stomach and is due to reflex stimulation of the vagus nerves initiated by the sight, smell, or taste of food. When the vagus nerve have been cut, this phase of gastric secretion stops. Sympathetic stimulation, example during emotional states, also inhibit gastric activity. Next is the gastric phase. When stimulated by the presence of food, the enteroendocrine cell in the pylorus and duodenum secrete gastrin, a hormone which passes directly into the circulating blood. Gastrin circulating in the blood, which supplies the stomach, stimulates the gastric glands to produce more gastric juice. In this way, secretion of digestive juice is continued after completion of a meal and end of the cephalic phase. Gastrin secretion is suppressed when the pH in the pylorus falls to about 1.5. Third one is the intestinal phase. When the partially digested contents of the stomach reaches the small intestine, 2 hormones, secretin and cholecytokinin, are produced by endocrine cell in the intestinal mucosa. They slow down the secretion of gastric juice and reduce gastric motility. By slowing the emptying rate of the stomach, the chyme in the duodenum becomes more thoroughly mixed with bile and pancreatic juice. This phase of gastric secretion is most marked following a meal with high fat content. The rate at which the stomach empties depends largely on the type of food eaten. A carbohydrate meal leaves the stomach in 2-3 hours, a protein meal remains longer, and a fatty meal remains in the stomach longest. Here is the summary of the phases and regulation of gastric secretion. Here you can see the first phase is cephalic phase, which starts with the sight, smell and taste of the food. Second one is the gastric phase, which starts when the food is in stomach, and the last one is the intestinal phase. Thank you.